Are your tax returns discoverable when you bring a lawsuit in the state of New York for a negligence case, medical malpractice case, or a wrongful death case? You want to learn the answer? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The short answer is yes, they are. The longer answer is maybe not. You want to know what that means? Let me tell you. When you bring a lawsuit and you put your medical condition in issue and you are claiming lost earnings as a result of your disability or your injury, the defense is entitled to find out exactly how much you are earning and how much you're no longer able to earn. That's fair, right? Because if you're claiming that you can no longer work, they want to know, okay, how much did you earn for the past few years? Why? Because they want to be able to see for themselves, not just what you tell them, whether or not you are earning that amount of money. And how can they justify and how can they determine for themselves whether or not you were earning a particular amount of money? Well, if you were self-employed, then you will be obligated to provide them with your tax returns. This way they can judge and see for themselves what taxes you filed, how much income you earned, and from what source. If you were working for a company and got W-2 forms at the end of the year, we are obligated to provide the defense with not only your W-2 forms, but an authorization which will allow them to get from the IRS copies of your W-2 forms. Why is that? So that they can justify for themselves and determine the accuracy of how much you are actually earning at any given year. This way we can now calculate authentically and accurately how much money and income you have lost as a result of your injury and disability. So to answer the question, are your tax returns discoverable? If you were self-employed in New York, the answer is yes, they are discoverable. If you were employed by a company, then your W-2 forms will be discoverable. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this just to give you an insight and an understanding into what we attorneys do on a daily basis. Chances are you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your potential matter. And if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you have legal questions, I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day and I'd be happy to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.